If you're planning to build a career in cybersecurity in 2026, there's one thing you absolutely cannot ignore: AI. It's everywhere, from SOC teams to penetration testing, from risk analysis to incident response. Artificial intelligence is now part of almost every cybersecurity role, and if you don't understand how AI is being used today, you risk falling behind your peers. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 ways AI is being used in cybersecurity right now, and how it directly impacts your career. If you want to stay updated with practical cybersecurity career tips and real-world insights like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next video. All right, let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most common areas, the Security Operations Center. SOC analysts deal with thousands of alerts every single day. Every alert needs to be checked, investigated, classified as either a false positive or a real threat. Doing this manually is exhausting, and over time, it leads to burnout. This is exactly where AI steps in. Today, AI-powered tools can filter low-priority alerts, correlate related events, detect unusual user behavior, and even suggest the next response action. Instead of analysts repeating the same tasks all day, AI handles the routine work automatically. Now, some people worry this means SOC jobs will disappear, but that's not true. AI replaces repetitive tasks, not skilled professionals. If you learn automation, understand SON or XDR tools, and get comfortable with AI-driven workflows, you actually become more valuable. Number 2. AI-assisted pen testing and offensive security. AI isn't just helping defenders, it's also transforming offensive security. Pen testers often spend hours scanning systems, identifying vulnerabilities, and running tests across large environments. A lot of that work is repetitive and time-consuming. Now, AI tools can automate vulnerability scanning, bug hunting, exploit suggestions, large-scale testing. This allows pen testers to focus on strategy and deeper analysis instead of manual work. AI doesn't replace human creativity, it simply speeds up the process. Think of it as a productivity boost, not a replacement. The third area is threat intelligence. Security teams collect massive amounts of data every day, from threat feeds, malware reports, suspicious IPs, domains, and hashes. AI can process this information in seconds. It can identify patterns, connect related attacks, detect trends, highlight high-risk threats, and provide context about who might be behind an attack. Instead of digging through multiple tools, analysts get clear and actionable insights immediately. This helps teams move from reactive defense to proactive security.
Number 4. Documentation and reporting. Let's be honest, not everyone enjoys documentation. After a penetration test or an incident response, someone still has to write the report. Summarizing findings, writing explanations, preparing documentation, it takes time, and many analysts find it repetitive. AI is helping here too. It can draft reports, summarize investigations, organize findings, turn technical data into readable language. This saves hours of work and reduces human error. So you spend less time writing and more time solving real problems. The fifth area is governance, risk, and compliance, also known as GRC. AI's impact here is quieter but very powerful. GRC work involves lots of audits, risk assessments, compliance checks, documentation. AI tools can analyze large datasets, automate risk scoring, and speed up regulatory reviews. This makes assessments more accurate and much faster. Humans still make the decisions, of course, but AI removes the heavy lifting. So now the question is, will AI take our jobs? This is the question everyone asks.
The reality is simple. AI won't replace cybersecurity professionals, but it will change how we work.
It handles repetitive tasks, so we can focus on higher-level thinking, decision-making, and strategy. And as attackers start using AI too, organizations actually need more skilled professionals, not fewer. So the goal isn't to fear AI, it's to learn it, understand it, use it. The people who adapt will always stay ahead.